Guys, this is my first YouTube video. In this video I'm going to show you about the WAN interface configuration. So for this I took 3 routers and I named it Islamabad headquarter, Peshawar branch and Lahore branch. So whenever you connect branches, you have to use the WAN interfaces. Means in the middle you are using the service provider. It means you have nothing to do with this in the middle. So your work is just here on this port and this port. So now let's get to it and let's configure it. First of all, we have to connect the routers with each other, and I'm going to select the serial DCE. So it means the DCE, it means this port is going to provide the speed. So I'm going to select the 0/0/0 and also here again. So this time this port is going to provide the speed connected to 0/0/0. So we can see the ports labels also. Now let's start doing the configuration. First of all, I have to go to, let's go to Islamabad. Enable, sorry. First of all, get into the global mode, global configuration mode, so Control T, and now we have to change the host name. Host name is ISB headquarters, and now we have to provide the IP address to this serial 0/0, so interface serial 0/0/0, and now give it an IP address. I am going to give it 1.1.1.1. so this is the class 1, so that's why the subnet mask should be 255.0.0.0.0. enter. Now we have to type a keep alive message. What does it do? Actually, it tracks the routers. Whenever a router goes down, so it will itself send the exchange message of 10 seconds, in which they will say if the router is alive, so it's okay, and if it's down, so after 30 seconds the other router will shut it down itself. So let's end this one. Now this time we are going to configure the Peshawar side, so click on it, enable configure terminal and interface serial 0/0/0. Which interface is this? Yes, it's on 0. So the IP address is, oh no, I think I have given the wrong IP address. It's okay, let's change this one into this one. So the IP address is 1.1.1.2, and the subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. enter, and keep alive message, and the clock rate is 64 bits. 64 bits. So this is actually the speed of the link. 64 bits is the speed of the link. Now so this one is configured. Now what to do? We have to go to the other side. So we have configured this direct link, point-to-point link, and now but this one isn't configured, so let's do this one. So configure terminal, interface serial, which one is it? 0/0/1, enter. IP address is 2.1.1.2, 2.1.1.2, 255.0.0.0. No shutdown, keep alive, and end this. Oh well, no, this is the DCE side, so we have to configure clock rate. So interface serial 0/0/1, we have the clock rate is 64 bit, so it means this one also provides the speed. Now it's good. So it's the turn to configure Lahore. So CLI, no, enable configure terminal. So interface serial, which one is it? It's 0/0/1, and IP address is 2.1.1.3, 255.0.0.0. Now you can see these lights are green now. It means they are connected also logically. So let's see that if I can ping it or not. And ping, first of all we have to ping the Peshawar side. So what is the IP address? 1.1.1.2. so the ping is successful. Now let's see the other side. Ping 2.1.1.3, it's fine.